What if I told you that the Australian dollar that's been struggling at multi-year lows is on the verge of a major turnaround in 2025? I know, it sounds counterintuitive. After all, everyone's talking about stagflation, rate cuts, and global uncertainty. The headlines are full of doom, slowing global growth, persistent inflation, and rising geopolitical risk. But what if the market is missing the bigger picture? Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through the lesser-known forces that are quietly lining up, and they all point toward one thing: a potential surge in the Aussie dollar.